Hey everybody, Jason Worley with Worley Custom Fab. Today we're going to show you our bumper grille insert for the 2015 to 2019 Chevrolet trucks. So here we are with our Chevy bumper grille insert. This particular model we're showing you today is specific for the 2015 to 2019 Chevrolet 2500 and 3500 HD pickup trucks. It's a very basic and simple to install kit. It consists of your grille, 2 mounting brackets, and your installation hardware. Let's show you the concern with the factory front bumper and how easy this kit is to install. So just a moment ago you saw the bumper behind me had the grille installed. Without the grille on, this is the gaping hole we're referring to. This leaves your auxiliary transmission cooler open to rocks and debris and severe damage. We've seen rocks go through these coolers and all of a sudden you got a transmission cooler leak and you're stuck on the side of the road. It's a very simple, cost-effective upgrade that can keep you from having trouble. So we'll show you how easy the install is. You got 2 stainless steel brackets marked passenger side and driver side. With the supplied 10mm hardware, you'll install the bracket on either side, just loose for now. We recommend installing some painter's tape so that while you're test fitting the grille, you don't scratch the paint. Next, you'll grab your grille, hold it in place, check to see how well your bolt holes are lining up. This gives you a chance to make adjustments to either bracket if necessary. Make sure the grille is centered in the opening, not offset left or right or up or down, leaving any large gaps. If the hole alignment looks good, you'll final tighten the bolts on the back, and then with the supplied Allens, install the grille. This is where the painter's tape comes in handy. With a 10mm wrench and a 4mm Allen, in about 15 minutes, you can have your bumper grille installed. We typically keep these bumper grilles in stock in 5 different popular shades of black and white that match the plastic. Or like all other WCFab products, you can choose a wild custom one-off color, like this Dior Gold or our signature WCFab Red. The options are endless. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter as we have several other model years and GMC version coming soon. I'm Jason Worley. Thanks again.